Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add table of contents in Google Docs. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Google Docs on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one document that you want to add the table of contents. Tap on it. Now here you can find the pencil icon at the bottom right corner. Simply select it. Then tap on to the plus sign button at the top. Now scroll down until the end and you can find the table of contents right here. Now tap on it. Finally, you can choose one of the option of the table of contents. Choose one. Now you can see the table of contents has been added to your document. And that's it. This is how you can add table of contents in Google Docs. Now you can edit your documents easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.